Hello, everybody. It's tax time. It's the end of December. January's coming up. People are going to get their W-2 forms in the mail. And I have some suggestions that I do. I don't own a business, so if you don't have to claim a lot of different things and you just have a regular job, do your taxes yourself instead of paying that $80 per W-2 form or, you know, $50 or $120 by having some of the professionals do it. If you use the 1040 EZ form or the 1040 form, it's usually easier. I personally go to TurboTax. TurboTax, usually if you have just a W-2 form or a few W-2 forms from just employers that you work for, then it's free. And they give you the software. They ask you the questions. They basically keep up with the new laws of taxes, so you don't have to keep up with all that. Every year they update their computer program. Whether you go to TurboTax or one of the other places, I use TurboTax. It's quick. They ask you the questions. You just put in the numbers, how much you made, and once you get your W-2 forms from your employers, and it's usually free if you just have if you're using a simple form online. You just tell them the numbers, and then at the end you have a option of sending it in just by pushing one button. It goes through the internet to the IRS, and then it gives you the choice of choosing either to have a direct deposit in your bank account or to get a check if you get a tax return. If you have to pay, then that's between you and the TurboTax or whatever you use. But I strongly suggest that if you don't own your own business, if you're not claiming all things, to just do it yourself, or to go online to TurboTax or another company to get it done. Because if you go to, I'm not going to name any companies, but if you go down the street to a place to get your taxes done, you're going to be paid between $50 and $80 or even more, $20, $50, or $80 or more per W-2 form. If you have 3 jobs in a year, then you're going to be paying a lot of money. It's easy to get done. It's easy and simple to learn. Or just go to TurboTax.com. I'm not promoting TurboTax. TurboTax is not paying me, but I use them. I strongly recommend them. They ask you the questions online, easily, step by step, like how much money you made on each form, on each W-2 form from each job, what the taxes were. It's box by box on your W-2 forms. Anyway, that's what I suggest if you don't own your business. If you don't own your own business, if you just work regular jobs and don't have any extra things to claim, it's probably the best way to go. That's my suggestion. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and blessings this new year, 2014, coming up. And just remember to get your tax done by April 14th. Coming up soon, so the earlier you do it, probably the quicker you're going to get a tax return, if you do get a tax return. I heard that if people wait till February or March, they're usually bombarded, and it takes a longer time to get your tax return back. And this is mostly for people that don't own a business, that just work and want to get it done. If you have online access, just go to TurboTax. It's so easy, and it's usually free. If it's a basic thing that you don't claim extra stuff, it's usually free. And it's simple. Anyway, God bless, have fun, and hopefully you get a tax return to help you with your bills, or to buy something you wanted to buy, or to help people around you. Anyway, good luck.